What's up, y'all? It's your boy Q. Boy, I've been excited all day. When I say I work 6 to 6 and I'm only working 6 to 4 today, boy, I just picked up 2 30 packs. I just picked up the chicken back there. You see the chicken, man? We got the chicken popping off, man. We got the good wing, chicken kings, you know what I'm saying? Chicken kings. I got over here, I can't move the camera, man, because I'm driving. I got 7 pounds. I thought she was going to make 10 pounds. She made 7 pounds of cheese dip, but all this burger. She got tons of burger meat, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 scoops of that burger, 2 scoops of not raisin, but burger. But anyway, man, really, this is what's happening. 2020 was the last time me and my wife had our bonfire party. We have a bonfire party. I used to put away, when I first met my wife, I was throwing Super Bowl parties every time. I was doing that before her. The next one, I stopped doing it because people tore some stuff up in my house and didn't tell me, so I said no more people in my house. So I was doing something with my little cousin. Next time I know, you know what I'm saying, my dad said we like burning stuff. So every time we get together, we always burn stuff. So I'm gonna show them how the summers do it. So all of a sudden I'm like, bet, let's get this popping. So I started noticing, I showing people this and that. Next time I'm like, yeah, I like it. And next time, shoot, it started growing. Shoot, last time I had it, 4 years ago, before COVID hit, we was like 250 strong. It might be 250 tonight, 300 people strong today. But you know what I'm saying? I like having fun, giving back to people. Just I like having a little shing-ding, no craziness, nobody acting stupid. But like I said, I'm about to head to the house, set up this stuff. Oh, my fault. National Bonfire Party. I forgot to tell you, I have a bonfire party. Me and my wife have a big old party. Just invite a whole bunch of family, friends. We just sit back, have fun. We got people coming from St. Louis, Dallas, little small towns here and there, but we finna turn up. I turn up my neighbors. I tell some of my neighbors. Some of my neighbors come out, some of them don't. That's why I tell everybody, if you come, you don't. You don't hear us? Yes, you are. But like you say, man, I'm on my way home. I done worked all week. I'm tired. I don't know why I didn't go to bed early last night, knowing I'm finna be up for about 22 hours. Because I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning, and the party is from 8 to 3. And most likely, I'm going to still be up at 3. Like I said, I'm on my way to the house. I got to set everything up. Got to get this fire started. I think I'm going to start the fire first and let it slowly get bigger and bigger. That's one thing I learned about messing with my wood burner stove in my man cave. Small fires burn better. You start a fire off small, and it'll start to get bigger and bigger, and next thing, boom, I don't care what you're throwing it. It's sizzling, baby. But the boy gonna come with you. I'm just gonna show you a little blog, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to blog a little bit, but I'm gonna kick it like it ain't nothing, so I'm gonna give you a couple footages, you know, video where everybody dancing and stuff, probably stuff like that, eating and everything. But other than that, I'm finna enjoy myself. I ain't gonna blog too much, man, but I'm just giving you showing you a little something me and my wife do, you know what I'm saying? We just give back to the, you know, good people that we know and stuff. Basically, almost everybody want to come. I can't invite everybody because it's at my house. You hear me? It's at my house. And people getting their feeling, why you invite me? Hey, I'm cool with everybody. I try to be cool with everybody. I don't have no beef with nobody. But some people, I just don't feel comfortable knowing where I lay my head. With that being said, I'm going to bring y'all to this thing, baby. It's that boy Q with that summer's bonfire party, baby.
Yeah, trying to get some more.
That boy Q. Porta potty for the party. Porta potty for the party. The aftermath, y'all. It's the aftermath in the morning. How it looks after a good old fire, partying, having fun, y'all. That's how we do it. That's how we did it. All these footprints. See my boy wrote. Oh, damn, I knew I was gonna find it, man. I dropped it somewhere in my cozy. I like, man, no, that ain't mine. That's somebody else's. But anyway, y'all, gotta clean all this stuff up. But all my neighbors helped me put it up and everything. We good. It's from your boy Q. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? Feel free to comment with me. Talk to me. If you don't, you know what I'm saying? Hit me on IG. It's THAT_, put away that _boy, BORE _QUE on IG, y'all. Holla.